What if the real power of a narcissist isn't in what they say or do, but in what they can make you express? Most people think narcissists just know when you are hurting, but here is the real truth. Narcissists don't have magical pain sensors. They feed off what they can see and provoke, not what you silently feel inside. It is not enough for you to be suffering. They need visible proof that they have gotten under your skin. You're crying, yelling, collapsing, pleading. That is their proof and their fuel. Your visible emotional breakdowns are their trophies, their medals of honor. If you hide your pain, it's like cutting off their oxygen. They can't get high off your misery if they cannot see it. A narcissist's sense of power depends on their ability to make you visibly unravel. Without that evidence, they are left standing there uncertain if they have won, and uncertainty is their kryptonite. Imagine this, you have been silent all day after the narcissist launched one of their classic attacks. Maybe they insulted you or told a secret of yours in front of your friends, expecting you to later explode in private. But instead of falling into the trap, you stay calm, you go about your evening like nothing happened. You are polite but distant. You answer their baiting questions with neutral, flat responses like, I don't see it that way. Oh, okay, you don't give them one drop of visible pain to feed on. What happens? At first, they may try harder to get a reaction, throwing nastier jabs, acting colder, escalating little provocations, but when you still don't crack, something changes. They start to panic. That godlike feeling they usually get from seeing you fall apart is slipping away. Without your emotional outburst, they are left feeling small, powerless. Forget puppet master. They feel like a clumsy amateur pulling on dead strings. And here is the real kicker. Deep down, narcissists fear they are insignificant. Your calmness, your refusal to bleed in front of them brings that fear right to the surface and it burns. So remember, it is not your inner pain that delights and feeds them. They are not God. They cannot see your inner pain and suffering. They can only see your expression of pain and realize that their arrow hit the target. It is the show of suffering that feeds the narcissist. Deny them the performance and you starve them of the validation they so desperately need. You become unreadable, unreachable, untouchable, and to a narcissist, that is the ultimate insult. Thank you so much for being here. If you are learning something and want to support more content like this, please hit subscribe. It helps more than you know. I have also written a book for people dealing with mind games and manipulation. It's called Psychological Warfare, the Ultimate Guide to Outsmarting Manipulators, your crash course in fighting dirty and winning clean. This isn't just about understanding narcissists. It is about outmaneuvering, outsmarting, and outlasting them when it matters most. Don't just take my word for it. You can read the first chapter for free. Most people freeze when they are trapped. Therapists can guide you, but they can't be your sword. You have to sharpen your own mind, and you can. If you are ready to stop surviving and start winning, grab your copy today. The link is in my bio and in description of this video. Sharpen your mind, own your life. Catch you in the next video.